Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove my WhatsApp from other devices. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. At the bottom right, tap setting or you. After that, tap on linked devices. Take a moment and check the list if you see a device you want recognized or one you no longer use. You should log out. Tap on the device you want to remove, then tap on log out. When the confirmation message appears, tap log out again, and that's it. Your WhatsApp has been logged out from the device. The device can no longer read your message or access your account. If you want extra security, you can turn on two-step verification. Just go back to the setting, tap on account, then tap on two verification and turn it on. This address all extra layer protection of your WhatsApp, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.